Real base clock, 1607 MHz / real boost clock, 1835 MHz, memory detail, 6144 MB GDDR5. EVGA ICX technology, 9 additional temp sensors to monitor memory and VRM. GPU/memory/PWM thermal status indicator RGB LEDs. New vented heatsink fin design and pin fins for optimized airflow. Safety fuse to protect components from damage due to improper installation or other component failures. Featuring a total of 11 global patents, pending and granted, ICX from EVGA is efficiency perfected. With 9 additional sensors embedded on the PCB, a newly designed die-cast baseplate and backplate, purposefully directed airflow chambers, and full control using EVGA Precision XOC, EVGA's ICX is the very definition of interactive cooling. With PC gaming growing, it is important to provide peace of mind gaming to the user. With EVGA's new ICX technology, users can have a better understanding of their card's operation. This includes temperature monitoring on key components, not just GPU, interaction with other devices and better cooling with asynchronous fan control providing better overclocking capabilities. With EVGA ICX technology, a new era of PC gaming is coming. Real base clock, 1607 MHz / real boost clock, 1835 MHz, memory detail, 6144 MB GDDR5. EVGA ICX technology, 9 additional temp sensors to monitor memory and VRM. GPU/memory/PWM thermal status indicator RGB LEDs. New vented heatsink fin design and pin fins for optimized airflow. Safety fuse to protect components from damage due to improper installation or other component failures.